Alright, greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to get some lunch going. I'm going to be using the new Onetigris stove that I got from Sheen Coffee. Which, if you missed my video, I did a really laughably bad job putting this thing together. Let me do this off. I'll tell you what, right now I'm really missing my other tripod. Together like that. Okay. I'll tell you what, right now I'm really missing my other tripod. Together like that. Okay. I always measure my water for Mountain House meals, just because I want the measurement to be accurate. I don't want thick and or soupy, oops, as I spill some. Well, I guess there are measurements on the side, but I just really like my measuring cup. So there we go. Get that boiling, and then put everything else away I don't need yet. Alright. I'd take my hat off because every time I bent down or something it was tilting, and it's like, I don't know how this Oreo Mrs. Freshly's brownie got into my bag, but I'm just gonna have to remove the evidence. Those are good. That's real good. So looking around this camp, I noticed that there's no real kind of table, which I want to rectify. Maybe. Still waiting for my water to get boiling. Shouldn't take too long. It's nearly there already. Sweet. I know it's about the Stanley cook set because it's so much taller. It takes water a little bit longer to get going, but it's alright. My lunch is going to be the spaghetti with meat sauce. I wrote the date on here, 8/15. I can't tell if that's a 4 or a 9. It could be a 4, so 2014. Unfortunately, I kind of broke the zip part when I was opening it up, so hopefully it won't affect the meal. It's not like I have a cozy I could put it under. So it'd be a good meal though. I like Mountain House. It's a good, I don't really want to do a whole lot of work to make a meal kind of meal. So yeah. There we go. We got ourselves purdy boil. I'm gonna use the Super Spork to stir it. Thank you, Tracy Phillips. That's pretty freaking cool. There we go. Nice and stirred. Seems like a lot of water. It'd be a shame if it was only a cup and a half. It will fold over on the bag and let that sit and do its thing. Now, can I get this off? Oh, maybe I can't. Yeah, that's hot. Didn't feel hot at first. Come on. Well, certainly is secure, that's for sure. There we go. Now where's my simmering? There we go. Try to save fuel when I can. Well, I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with this stove so far. And granted, it's only the first time using it. And I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. Thanks again, Shane Coffee, and also Onetigris. But it's a pretty nice little stove. $24.99 on Amazon, I saw it. Which is not too bad. Not really. I mean, putting it together is a little wonky, but only because I'm not experienced doing it. I mean, I didn't see Shane struggling, but you know, Shane's been, you know, Shane is Shane, so. But I did get it together, and I did, you know, did boil water. I was going to make fire in here, but I got a late start today because, not because my pack wasn't ready, it's because I go to grab some socks and it's like, oh, I don't have any. I better do a little laundry before I leave the house. Oops. So that's on me though, that's my bad. And then by the time I got out here and then I was exploring a little bit and I found this, well, there'll be a link in the description. Found this lean-to that was someone built out here, which is really cool. I'm just debating what to do with it. I don't really want to mess up their work, but on the other hand, it's like, if they're not going to come back, I mean, why not make improvements? I mean, I'm not really going to change much. Well, I'll talk about that in another video. But so far, like it. You know, it packs down nice and small. Good stuff. I gotta get an actual flyer in here, though. But that will come. That will come as time goes on. You know, as I get out here more and use it more. You know, it's great for day trips like today. I mean, I'm not spending the night because actually it's Christmas Eve right now. So I keep looking at the view screen. I should just kick it away. There, be gone with you, view screen. It's a bad habit. It's hard to break. Although I guess you could ask, well, why are you always looking at yourself? But it's like, I don't know. So anyway, awkward pause. Alrighty. Enough time it should have passed. Oh, good, it was 2 cups of water. I was like, is it really only a cup and a half? It's hard to go wrong with these Mountain House. Got my spork. It looks a little watery. I may have poured a little too much water in there. Oh well. The one thing I didn't want. It's good. Hot. That first bite was kind of misleading. Probably gonna eat this and take off. Well, it's a good day, good find, good lunch. Use your bag as a little trash bag. Excellent. I'm gonna get out of here. Go home and enjoy my Christmas evening. Kill all my water. Won't hurt anything. Far less I need to carry out. So I got my chair. Yeah, I brought a chair. I mean, it sucks not being able to sit down. Alright. I think I'm about done. Just check, make sure I didn't leave anything. I don't see anything. But I will definitely be back at this spot again, for sure. Maybe I'll make some improvements. In fact, that tree right there, there's 2 trees right there, would be great for, I think, a hammock. So I can either have someone come out with me who wants to come, or I can string up my hammock, do the work here, and then come back and camp at it. Because I want to fix this wall here, and a bunch of other stuff. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.